Hey, it's time for another.
Everyday getaway.
That's a holiday getaway.
Yes, it is. Hey, I don't know if you can see I'll stand up here. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. My cousin and one of our Everyday Getaway supporters, Angie, gave me this for Christmas, so thank you. And Doug's decked out in his Santa attire. So we're going to just have some Christmas fun with you here for a few moments.
And this is kind of like a food challenge, but there's a twist with it.
Yeah, it's an artsy craftsy fun thing.
It should be fun.
There you go. We went to a craft show right after Thanksgiving, and we found something special and fun. So we're going to spend some time and paint with you today, but we'll tell you a little bit more about the painting in just a second.
So what did you find?
We're going to paint with M&Ms. Isn't that fun? At the craft show, we found a booth that had lots of these paint by M&M. This is Mimi's Cookie Jar, and we will include a little bit about her business, her and her husband's business, here in just a moment.
And I don't know if she does shipping or not. Do you remember what she said?
I don't know.
But you could we'll give you her contact information, and if you're not in the Lynchburg, Virginia area, you can contact her. You have a couple of weeks here before Christmas, and if you really want to get one, you'll be able to get one on your own.
And they didn't just have Christmas ones. So even if you don't have time, if you're watching this and didn't have time to get one for Christmas, but wanted a fun thing for in the new year, she had all sorts of different just patterns and pictures. Ours is a nativity, and it comes with the M&Ms, and basically you just dip your brush in water and you get some of the coloring from the M&M and you paint. So we're going to give it a try. And before we start, we will insert here a little bit of information about Mimi's Cookie Jar, her business, her and her husband's business, and let you look at some of the things that they make and sell. All right, package is nice and sealed, and it's kind of double sealed, I think. I think this is like a zipper pouch. Oh, not a zipper, but it is double sealed. And might take me a second to get this open. Maybe I should have grabbed some scissors. I don't want to break the cookie. Maybe I should grab scissors. Oh, there we go. All right, so we get this nice cookie with my paint palette on the side. You get the little paintbrush, and you get some instructions. And the instructions just say, wet your paintbrush with a little bit of water, dip the wet paintbrush into the middle of the paint palette, and then make sure that you clean things in between. So let's see what we can do here. Since we are painting with M&Ms, I broke out the M&M dishes, and this one is, hey, have a Merry Christmas, and this guy is, oh no, I forgot to get a certain present. So I don't know, this guy does not seem very festive, but anyway. All right, into the water we go. I'm going to start with the yellow, so I'm dipping it onto that, and let's go for the star. Hey, it is like painting with watercolor, so it's not a really dark color, but it is fun. You can definitely, from where I am, I'm hoping the color's coming through. See the yellow on yours? And let's do the straw around the baby Jesus yellow also. I'm going to do a little dabble, do you? Now, whatever the green is here, this edible ink, it does bleed a little onto it also. So even though we've got the yellow, it does bleed a little bit, but this is really fun.
That looks pretty good. It comes through pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Oh, got one more star I missed. Let me do the one on the top of this tree here. And we'll probably have to come back to yellow, but for now, I think that, oh, got one more. I keep missing all these cute little stars on these trees, but let me get that. Oh, I might need a little bit more water. We will finish up the yellow here, and then we'll switch colors.
Okay, so I'm going to try some brown here. Tammy did such a nice job. I don't want to ruin what she did. Well, it does come across pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's like a light pastel, but if you do a couple layers, I think you definitely will be able to see it well. I'll get close there for a second. Hey, Doug, what does a gingerbread man have on his bed?
I don't know, what?
Sheet pans.
Oh, that's funny.
getting the stable going.
You know any more jokes?
Let me think. I'm sure I got a couple. While you're painting, I will share some more funnies with you. All right, Doug's very intent on the stable here.
I think that kids would really enjoy this. Well, not only kids, but adults too. And if you are in the area and you would like to get one for a Christmas party or a Christmas activity, I think that they would love it.
I think so. Now, we have done decorating cookies with icing. We've done Christmas trees with the icing. We have done build your own like gingerbread house. We haven't done this, but I think this would be a lot of fun. And I think it was $4.95 if I'm not mistaken. So it wasn't extremely expensive, but I also don't think it would take a lot of time. Sometimes we've done, like last year, I think we did those paint by like watercolors, but they were, I don't know, 8 by 10 pictures. They took a long time.
This certainly would not take a long time.
Yeah. All right, Doug, where do you buy Christmas gift for your pet pig?
At the ham store?
No, close. Amazon.
Amazon. Oh, that's funny.
All right, Doug, what's red, white, and blue at Christmas?
I don't know.
A sad candy cane.
I think the kids would really love doing this, or adults. And if you're in the area and you want to get one from her, or some from her, I think it would be great before Christmas. You could contact her, or somebody in your area. You could probably just Google it and see if you can get it. I hope that the colors are really coming through, because off camera, it looks good. It really does.
Turn you around here.
I was a little concerned about how the M&Ms were going to work, but they work really well.
They work really well. And then the fun is you get to eat it. Not only do you get to eat the cookie that you painted, but the palette. The cookie palette is, it's got the M&Ms on it, but it's still I'm not sure if it's a sugar cookie or a...
we'll see in a few minutes.
Yeah, we'll see in a few minutes. We're going to check it out. Switching colors here, so I'm going to clean off the brush. And let's do some clothes painting here. Let's give Mary some blue on her little outfit.
Hey, why did the elf go to school?
I don't know. Why did the elf go to school?
To improve on his alphabet.
Ah.
You have to remember that one for the kids at school.
Yeah, they would like that.
And we're not artists, but hey.
I'm looking like I am.
You're looking like a good artist here.
Yeah, and I'm not using my glasses. I was thinking I might really have to have my glasses, but I'm okay. I can stay in the lines. I don't have to have my extra set of eyes to do this with. And Mary's coming along here.
Hey, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. You can go on some great adventures with us in 2026, and we'd love to have you join us. Please hit that share button on this video, hit that like button, and so that all of your friends and family can see what we've been working on today.
We're kind of in the middle of the 12 days of Christmas, so we will attach one of our videos that has already happened before this. When you're finished, maybe you can go back and watch another video that maybe either you haven't seen or missed out on, or just want to watch again.
And we'll come back in a couple of seconds and show you what the final product looks like. Looking good. Okay, so while you're painting, if your colors start to disappear on your M&Ms, I think you can probably try to pop them out and just use colors from the different sides.
Yeah.
Or if you have M&Ms in your house, you can use those. Or maybe some of those holiday M&Ms would be great.
Yeah, I'm just kind of working on the sides here to get a little extra brown.
And you can mix your colors together too if you need to.
Yeah, I decided I was going to mix a couple colors and make brown, and then Doug said, why don't you just use the brown M&M?
You can be creative. Okay, so she's getting pretty close to the end here. So I think we have one more time for one more joke. Hey, Tammy, who's never hungry at Christmas dinner?
I don't know who.
The turkey, because it's stuffed.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, I notice here you're mixing some colors together. What are you making?
Well, I'm trying to make some black for this sheep. And I did a little bit on the staff here, and I mixed the brown and the blue. And I got a little bit of gray. I think we can also use that for Joseph's beard here. And then, won't be long. I don't know if I want to taste test it. It's so cute. But we got to taste test at least the corner where the...
Or you can taste test the...
Where the palette is.
the palette. I feel like you should sing Mary Did You Know?
Mary, did you know that's your baby boy? That's your concert for today. All right, we will give a taste here.
Hey, so I think that was a fun Christmas activity.
I enjoyed that.
And like Tammy said earlier, she does make cookies that are not just holiday related. So, or I'm sure other people do in your area if you want to give it a try, but I thought it worked really well.
Yeah, it did. I didn't know the color would show up as well as I did, as well as they did, but I was impressed with the coloring.
Yeah, it looks good.
All right.
Hopefully y'all can see it in the
All right.
film.
We're not sure if this is a sugar cookie or a shortbread, but it broke off the corner. I'm thinking it's more of a shortbread. I think it's shortbread.
It looks like it.
Yeah, it's got good taste. So after making it, if you want to break it apart.
Oh, wait a second. It's a sugar
Oh,
cookie.
it's a sugar cookie?
Yeah.
It's a good cookie.
It helps to read.
Yeah, yeah.
It is a sugar cookie.
And it does have the ingredients and stuff on the back, just in case you have any allergies or anything, you can know everything that's in there. But sugar cookie, and it's a good sugar cookie. So, well,
Hey, I'd recommend it.
we thought this was fun. We will definitely purchase again.
And again, in the Lynchburg area, it's Mimi's Cookie Jar. And we'll put all of her information in the video.
All right. Hey, thanks for being with us today. Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Merry Christmas.